Thanks to our Jamaican customers for purchasing our EA1000C6 rental LED screen. This LED screen adopts a convenient quick-lock design, and the installation process is fast and efficient, which is particularly suitable for the needs of the rental market. It supports curved installation and can flexibly adapt to a variety of creative display needs to meet the use requirements of different venues. The cabinet of EA1000C6 is made of durable die-cast aluminum, which ensures the lightness and sturdiness of the screen. All screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, which further enhances the durability and corrosion resistance of the screen, so that it can still maintain excellent performance in high-frequency use.